Bob Ross 1, Bob Ross 2, Bob Ross day 3 and 4. Well, hello Internet. I'm PJ Corona with the Arrogant Designer. This is Scott's project. We had another video about his project, and this is the updated version with everything changed. So take a look at it, see if you like it. If you don't, bummer. I love it. It's great. So it's also Bob Ross t-shirt day. If you can see Bob Ross here on my shirt. If you ever make mistakes in life, I make them every day. I don't know about you folks, but you just make mistakes and keep going on. So have a good time watching the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Interesting little project here. As we go to the front, we changed the wall heights just to make sure everything was the same. So as we go around, front wall's 3, the second wall is 4'6", and the rear wall next to the spa is 6 foot. As we pan around, we come up, you see that spa, which is now 10 foot by 8 foot, and the back wall is 16 foot wide. Just beautiful. As we pan around, nice tile, gray tile on the inside of the pool on that facing, along with that fire pit. And as we go to the night shots, that water wall is just really, really cool. And up there, see all the green in the front? Scott did not like my desert landscape, but I'm okay with that. I just changed it because it's his house, and he can have whatever plants he wants. No problem. Nice evening shots. Again, really, really cool project. Can't wait to build it and film it as we do. As we go around to the end. You guys have a great day. Here we go. Bye-bye.